Okay, so here's the deal. Today we're going to be comparing the Zealot S98 with the Zealot S78. Previously, I did a sound comparison between both speaker and outdoor sound comparison. So for those that have been checking out my video, you'll notice that I did a sound comparison between both speaker and outdoor sound comparison previously. So today we're going to be focusing on which one sounds better indoor. The total people for the Zealot S98 is 160 watts. And the total amplifier for the Zealot S78 is 100 watts. And if you like the beats that I've been using in the comparison on this channel, you can check out those beats on this channel as well, because I've actually uploaded some beats and I'm also going to be uploading some more beats in the future. And if you're interested to know more information regarding their features and their price and all that, check out previous video on this channel. And if you find this video interesting, please do it to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. That way you're going to be supporting this channel, and drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know your opinion regarding the sound comparison we're about to do. I recommend you use a headphone or you play from a louder speaker so you get a better sound experience. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. 50% volume. Volume. 50% volume. Okay, so with this sound comparison, I'm sure it's pretty clear which one sounds better indoor. Now, the Zealot S78 has a great sound even at 50% volume. That was something I noticed even during the outdoor sound comparison. But the Zealot S98 is way more better at mass volume. So basically, I prefer the Zealot S78 at mid volume, 70%, 50% is great. Like it does a better job compared to the Zealot S98, which is really surprising. But the Zealot S98 is great, it's massive, it's way more better at mass volume because it's just more louder and the bass is more heavier, it's richer. The mids and the highs and the low, they're just way more better compared to the Zealot S78 at mass volume. So that's it for today's video. Please do it to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and do it to share these videos so we can reach out more audience and drop your comments. Until next time, peace.